friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we're kicking off another video, guys. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through. Hope you just stay, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone, you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, bring it in, baby. You know how we do. Ooh, I needed that hood, y'all. Today we are about to talk about something fun, something that I have been supposed to bring to y'all, the long awaited information on the old school concert cruise. So if that sounds like something you want to hear, stay tuned. All right, guys, one of my subscribers reminded me that I was supposed to give you guys this information, and I did say that I was going to do a sit down and kind of give you all the news you can use in order to be successful for this concert cruise. So first things first, what is the old school concert cruise? It is a cruise that they normally have two ships that sail at the same time, side by side, where they have half of the performers on one boat and the other half on the other boat. They do several concerts throughout the day. You get an agenda, so on and so forth. So that's the gist of it. Please note that I will have all the information for the concert cruise, the old school concert cruise list below. I will say this disclaimer, guys. They sell out fast. Like, the next cruise was basically sold out while we were on the cruise. Now it's selling out so fast that they're starting to do 2 a year instead of just 1. So I know the one for September of this year is already sold out. The one for May of next year is already sold out, and then they have one coming up September of next year, and that one I'll try to give you the information as I get it, because they haven't given us the lineup yet. For the old school cruise, first thing you want to do is sign up. Get you an account, and your payment can be up to $89 a month with $50 deposit, and you pay monthly. So whatever card you put on, no, you don't have to keep it on that card. You can switch up at any time, but they will do an ACH once a month. For me, I have an account set up for ACH things only, so I just transfer money to that account. If your bank offers something like that where you don't have to pay a monthly service fee, and that's normally with credit unions, I would say open up an account, just even if you're not doing this just for your ACH purposes. So you don't have to worry about it, girl. You could set it and forget it. So you would set up your account, you'll pay your deposit, and then they'll start paying your monthly. Now the rooms, it can go from, I think it was $89 up to like $120 or something a month. We opted for the room with the window. We didn't want to get the balcony because we knew we weren't going to be in a room that long, so it was kind of a waste of money. But we did want the window view just so we could see something and it's not so dark. But yes, if you get the room without the window, it definitely is like $89 a month. The cruises from California. It ports out from California and they go to Ensenada, Mexico. So it's basically Friday. You're basically getting on the boat Friday. You dock out about 5 o'clock Friday evening. You sail and you're at sea all day Saturday. Then Sunday morning, I think it's from 8 to 4, you can dock out at Ensenada. So you can, whatever you have booked. Ensenada is not like Cozumel or Cayman Islands or anything like that. You really only want to get off the boat unless you have an excursion. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not something, at least not right there, where you could just like walk around like you do at the Caymans. So definitely, I wouldn't even get off the boat unless I had like an excursion or something planned, and they do have good excursions. I will say this though, They don't follow even though it's through Carnival, they don't follow all of Carnival rules. So if you think you finna bring your bottle of wine, sis, they're gonna turn you around. You cannot do that on the concert cruise. Don't ask me why, but you can't. The concert cruises out by using Carnival Radiance. And I did take the liberty of listing some of the restaurants that's included on the Radiance, just in case you have not sailed the Radiance. That is Big Chicken, Guy's Burgers, of course, the Pizzeria, Pig and Anchor, which is another Guy's, like a barbecue joint. It's pretty good. The Blue Laguana Cantina, which is kind of like a Chipotle, if you will. All those are included inside of your fee, which is like, y'all, I'm probably jumping around everywhere, so bear with me. The total amount that we paid on the cruise was $1,014 plus $154 for tax and gratuity. So you paid that up front. All that is included. And then remember, we paid for the room with the window, and we paid that over a year's time, and that was $101.65. $101.65 basically. I will put their website, their email, and their phone number all at the bottom, just in case it's some other questions you have that I didn't answer, or you can put down the comments if I missed something. The cruise in May is normally around the first part of May, so around Cinco de Mayo, and they normally have a brunch on Saturdays and a 50-50 raffle. I think while we were there, the raffle got up to like 19,000. Or did the person take, it was more than the person took 19,000 home, if I'm not mistaken. So, girl, I was trying to be their person friend, but I don't know who it was. But yeah, the 50-50 raffle is a real big thing on the cruise. It's a whole bunch of fun. I will say this, let me give you some tips. The first thing that I would do is join the Facebook group for that particular cruise that you're going on. It keeps you in contact, keeps you in the know. Now, and keeping you in the know, it also gives you some information you don't need. Like if they say wear yellow and all that stuff, that's not cruise related. That's people related. Cause I think they had yellow. You wear yellow, you ready for something. Now they do have like a different, like a disco night and stuff like that. The things that the cruise offer, you will get them on an itinerary. Oh, I hope I said that right. Every day. So every day you'll get something up under the door, or to be left on your bed, and it'll tell you what the things to do for that day. So if it ain't on that cruise and somebody else talk about a child, you on your own. You on your own. You don't be surprised if you got on all yellow and people grabbing and tapping on you, because that's supposed to mean something. That's what I learned from the cruise with my little yellow skirt on when somebody walked up to me. I'm just saying. Y'all, the next cruise they have, just to kind of give you an idea of who's on these old school cruises. The first person, the one that's coming up, they have the Commodores, Sister Sledge, Stevie B, Zap, the SOS Band, Evelyn Champagne King, which is my favorite baby. She puts on a show. Midnight Star. It is so many acts, y'all. I will try to include pictures and stuff of that. I'm trying to make sure, that I did not miss nothing. What to pack? That one was kind of hard. Because even though it's in May, it was freezing. It was given very much February, so it was like very, very. It was lukewarm during the day, and then you need a light jacket at night. And for us, we needed more than a light jacket. It was cold. It was cold. The only reason why it wasn't as cold is because for one, it's cold because we're off the water. For two, it wasn't as cold because it was so many people out watching the concerts. Now, I will say one thing about the concert. Now, it's probably about 10 acts total. So when you think about 10 performers, artists coming to a concert, $1,000 is really not that much for that, because you're paying for your cruise, which is normally about $300 or $400, and then that $600 has to be divided through those 10 people. So that's the way I looked at it, so it didn't sting as much. I think at first, if you would have asked me before if I would have went again, I was saying no, because I was just on the cruise and I deal with vertigo or whatever, but I had my little moments, but I don't want to keep putting myself in a box saying what I'm not going to do. I'm trying not to do that. If it's just something that I just really don't want to do, then I'm not going to do it. But for the most part, I don't want to close myself off and say that I wouldn't go again. If the girls want to go again, I would definitely say go. I would definitely go and wouldn't think twice about it. I would say that this is definitely a good girls trip, good girls bonding moment, a good family trip, even a couples trip. You can even go by yourself, because you easily meet friends. Everybody is so nice, and it's just a bunch of fun and a bunch of music. Now, when I was my particular trip, I think, did we have the Commodores? No, we had Confunction. Oh girl, Confunction put on a show. Zap did really good. I didn't we seen Morris Day, Evelyn's Champagne King, and Cameo, and I'm missing somebody, but I'll put them all across the screen. But baby, it was a good, Cool in the Game. They did a good show. First of all, why ain't nobody tell me that JT been gone? Like, the dude that they got that's singing is JT. Like, he sounds just like him, but I was like taken aback because I didn't realize that I was so off my Cool in the Game that I didn't know that he was gone. So the thing about the concert cruise is that you ain't gonna hear every song. you ain't not gonna, like, we didn't get to hear Joanna. We didn't hear that. We didn't get to cherish the love we have. We didn't get to hear that either. But we got the other ones. We got Too Hot. Well, I mean, we got the other ones. So even with Evelyn Champagne King, you gonna hear Love Come Down. You definitely gonna get that one, but you don't get all of the songs. At first I was a little like, why? But I get it. You know, they got so many acts that they have to fit in a day, and they only got a certain amount of time to perform. So they do, I mean, it's a lot of crowd participation. I would definitely say go. I would definitely say get your girls and plan a trip and go and have a good time. I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything. I'm gonna try to link the link below for the upcoming Facebook apps. If you're seeing this, like, not when I post it and later down the line, as I get information, I'll add the information to the description. So definitely stay tuned. If you want a part 2 or you feel like I missed something, please put it down in the comments. If you have any questions, guys, y'all know what I like to say. If you made it to this part of the video, you are the real MVP. I appreciate you so much. And if you could just put the hug emoji, let me know you made it this far, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. I see dead people.
Hi, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, yeah, free throw, man down, call like Amber Lambs, tell him please, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and do mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton.